Hey everyone, welcome back to History Unfolded. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in astronomy, how our solar system came to be. Grab a comfy seat because we're about to take a whirlwind tour through time and space. Let's get started. Our story begins about 4.6 billion years ago with a giant cloud of gas and dust in space, known as a solar nebula. Picture it like a cosmic snow globe, full of material left over from previous generations of stars. Something, likely a nearby supernova explosion, triggered the collapse of this nebula. As it collapsed under its own gravity, it began to spin faster, flattening into a rotating disk. This spinning disk is where the magic happened. At the center of this spinning disk, material began to clump together and heat up, forming what we now call the Proto Sun. This early sun was a fierce, glowing ball of gas, and its gravity was pulling in everything around it. Meanwhile, farther out from the Proto Sun, particles of dust and ice began to stick together and form larger clumps. These clumps collided and fused, growing into larger bodies called planetesimals. These planetesimals were the building blocks of our planet. As these planetesimals continued to collide and merge, they formed larger objects called protoplanets. These were the precursors to the planets we know today. Some of these protoplanets became large enough to clear their orbits of debris, eventually becoming the planets of our solar system. Now, let's talk about the gas giant, Jupiter and Saturn. These planets formed a bit differently. In the colder outer regions of the disk, planetesimals contained a lot of ice. As these icy bodies accumulated, they grew large enough to attract and hold on to massive envelopes of hydrogen and helium, creating the gas giants we see today. Beyond Jupiter and Saturn, the conditions were colder, leading to the formation of the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. These planets formed in a similar way, but with a higher proportion of ice and gas. As the solar wind from the young sun blew away the remaining gas and dust, it left behind the debris we now see as the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud beyond Neptune. These regions are filled with leftover planetesimal that never formed into planet. And there you have it. Our solar system formed from a swirling cloud of gas and dust, a process of collapse, spinning, and clumping together. Over billions of years, this cosmic recipe created the beautiful and diverse planetary system we call home. Thanks for joining us on this stellar journey. If you enjoyed learning about how our solar system was formed, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome science content. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. Till next time, looking up.